Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this awesome Wilktop portable fan heater. It's a fan heater with energy saving mode and it's quiet. With 2000 watt power ceramic fan heater with remote control for the bathroom, for the living room, for your office, or for your garage, where you like. It's an electric heater with 2 up to 12-hour timer function for 30 square meters rooms, 15 up to 35 degrees Celsius 3-stage heater for interior use with 90% oscillation, as you can see. And that's awesome because you can use this not only as a fan heater, you can use it as a ventilator too in the summertime. This is energy class A++. Oh yeah. This ceramic heating and no more smell it. At this device. The heating elements of the ceramic fan heater is made of PTC ceramic for a better heating effect. Hot air comes out after 3 seconds. And no odour, no nuisance over long periods. The back of the power heater is equipped with a removable filter mats that prevent dust deposits from affecting the heating effects. Because you can remove it and then you can wash it up under running water. So we can heat our home quickly, safely and energy efficient with low power consumption. And mute and timer function is on top too. The fan heater, energy saving and quiet, works at full power with a noise level of 45 up to 50 decibel, so that we can use it while we are sleeping. And it does not disturb us at all when we place it in a corner of our rooms. With the 6 time settings from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 hours, we can set different times to meet our needs and we save money on our electricity bill. And the next big thing is 90 degrees oscillation function. This Wilktop electric fan heater has a 90 degrees, 90 degrees oscillation function. It can blow hot air in 3 seconds under full power of operation. And of course, so you can reach nearly all areas in the room while it is oscillation. And the warm air covers an area of 20 up to 30 cubic meters. Square meters, not cubic. It is very suitable for the living room, for the bedroom, in a garage or conference rooms. Bathroom is possible too, etc. The product itself, is not waterproof or splash proof. So if we're going to use it in our bathroom, we have to look. So we please keep it away from water when we use it in the bathroom, And we have 2 types of controlling. The ceramic fan heater can be controlled by a remote control and by touch display or touch buttons on the device itself. The remote control works up to 6 meters and the LED display shows the ambient temperature in real time. So we can control the electric heater directly from, for example, the bed, and we do not have to get out of the ceiling and feel the cold outside. And we have multi-safety design. The built-in overheating protection and the tilt protection ensures that the heating fan switch off automatically in any unsafe situation. thanks to its lightweight and the handle on top. The heater can be placed anywhere. Okay, the product cannot be hung on the wall or used in the car, but you can place it where you like, and there is a power supply. You can use it easily and heat up the entire room. You will see that's easy and it looks really cool because it is a big one. The 408 millimeter high, 186 millimeter wide, and 127 millimeter deep. So you can use it where you like. It's really cool. We have a filter in the back side of the device. This filter we can replace or we can remove, and after this we can wash up. Job's done. This is easy, as you can see. You can use the touch buttons or you can use the remote control with the Wilktop fan heater. An energy-saving and quiet device with 2000 watt power. It's a ceramic fan heater with remote control for our bathroom or bedroom, living room, where we like. It's an electric heater with timer function. It's up to 30 square meters rooms, and you can use 3 stages of heating power. In oscillation 90 degrees, and it is really good looking device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.